Hey everybody, Chris Hardy here with the Greater Sumter Chamber of Commerce. We are doing a four-part video session in regards to the Chamber's new fuel program to help startup small businesses and existing small businesses learn about the four keys to what we believe is the success of any business. I'm here with Frank Shuler with Frank Shuler Law Firm. He has been a huge part of us helping us develop this program, and he's kind of representing the legal side of what we're going to talk today. Frank, what would you say is the single biggest reason from the legal standpoint of why a startup small business or an existing small business is important to a community such as ours?
Well, first of all, Chris, I think when you look at starting up a business or even an existing business, and I call them the tentacles of that business, I mean, you have the business owners themselves, so they're generating revenue for themselves, in which they will then go out into the community and spend those dollars for services and for goods. They're also employing people, which also generates revenue. They're also generating revenue for our city taxes and our county taxes, so our government can provide better services for our community. So it's a vast impact. Better schools, it just is uniformly impacts the entire community.
Yeah.
So.
Well, you obviously talk to people every day that is either has recently started a small business or is interested in starting a small business and what they need legally in order to do that. Mm-hmm. What is there one particular area of concern that that they present in the sense of, you know, those that currently own a small business or are looking to start up that is from the legal standpoint? Is there one piece that?
Yeah, I think when I talk to people, whether it's a new startup or an existing business, they are so focused on the good that they're producing or the service that they're providing at running their business. But they forget about the actual running of the business. I call it the administrative side of that. You know, are you protected liability-wise, or are you working in a situation that potentially opens you up for potential liability for claims to be filed against you. So, a lot of times they are so focused on what they're doing that they don't look at the actual running of the business, yeah. And that's what I try to help them understand that part of it. And
that's what we see far too often is, it's, the outside the box thinking and the passion is what kind of develops that product. But we often, unfortunately, see quite often that those four areas that this fuel program is designed around, your legal, banking, insurance, and accounting, is the knowledge that a lot of them don't have. Right. And that happens far too often, and it kind of often leads to the closing of that business or the lack of success. If there was one piece of advice, just one, that you could give someone that's thinking of starting a business or owns one from a legal standpoint, what would that be?
Gather your team. You gather your team, you get your legal consultant on board, your accountant, your lender, and so those things are so important that you have those resources to rely upon in any situation. So I always encourage people when they come to see me, well, who's your accountant? You need to reach out to your accountant and get that team put together. Mm-hmm.
Well, thank you, Frank. Well, you can learn more about the fuel program on our website. Applications are being taken through September the 30th. Keep in mind, we're only taking the first 20 applicants. The program starts on October 9. So go to our website, download the application, and get yours in at www.sumterchamber.com or call us at 803-775-1231 for more information. See you soon.